Turn the television on any Sunday morning and you'll find yourself in the middle of a how to buy real estate infomercial. Can you really buy a house with no down payment? Can you really make thousands or millions of dollars buying real estate? Of course, the answer is yes and no. The real estate is, are you willing to pay anywhere from $500 to $5,000 for the information, classes, and hotline? Most important are you self-disciplined enough to follow the program. Before you spend money on these expensive programs, here are my top 10 no money down ways to buy real estate. If you're self-disciplined and willing to hear the word no many times before you get a yes, then maybe you can buy a house without a down payment. First is to check out the many new zero down payment programs now available from lenders, especially if you're a first-time buyer. Also, FHA and VA have loans that may not be zero down, but you're very close. Borrow money for the down payment. Borrow the money from family, friends, or a business partner at a high interest rate or a percentage of the profit when the property is sold. Raise the price and lower the term offer the seller more than he is asking, provided he is willing to accept the down payment in the form of a note. If the seller is asking $150,000 with $15,000 down and willing to carry the balance of $135,000, try offering $155,000 in the form of a promissory note instead of cash. The seller gets a little more money to the additional risk. Borrow against a life insurance policy. Many life insurance policies let you borrow against the policy for the purpose of investing in the real estate or other investment. Use other property as collateral and create a note on existing property that you or a partner own and use it as a down payment for the property you are buying. Home equity loans are generally easy to qualify for as long as there is adequate equity in the property. Have the seller refinance the property, receiving the cash he needs from the proceeds of the new loan. The buyer gives the seller a note for the balance of the seller equity. Find an investor. There are many people who have money but no time. Their current profession keeps them too busy. Work out a deal where they put up the money and you split the profits when you sell. Lease with options to purchase. A lease a property with the right to buy it at some future time. Provide for the rental payment to be credited towards the down payment if you decide to exercise your option. Give them something they need if the seller is planning to purchase something in the future that you own or can buy. Use it as a trade. This can be anything such as furniture, boat, or motorhome.